the Dia behind the camera. So today is another gonna be a yum day. We are going towards, there's a famous actually fight between the Hyderabadi and Karachi biryani. So which one is better or they are same? So we're gonna try today Hyderabadi biryani today. We are right now leaving to the restaurant's name is Hyderabadi House Kitchen. So we're gonna try today Hyderabadi biryani. I will let you know which one is more spicier, guys. So thank you very much for watching us. Keep watching Enjoy Star Food, and yeah,
Please stay with us.
I will meet you there in a bit.
Tell us about the menu and what are we going to order.
Okay, so folks, they have a very big menu, right? You see that they have appetizer, they have veg dishes, they have non-veg, biryani, barbecue wraps. Then they have some platters, naan, desserts, you know, lot of things. So we asked them what is they have, what the special Hyderabadi famous dishes they have it. So they advise us some of them, and they are very famous for it as well. So what we ordered today, so we ordered Hyderabadi chicken biryani. They advise us, and then they advise us another dish. It's a very famous dish they present in the wedding. It's called Hyderabadi red mutton. Then they advise us they have a very famous chicken 65 as appetizers, so we ordered that as well. We ordered some naan, and you know, like they have a very different kind of dessert as well. That name is kaddu ka meetha. Kaddu means squash, right? It's gonna be Indian green squash, and they make it kind of a pudding with that. So we're gonna try for sure that as well. It's a very unique. And you know, we already ordered that, so we're waiting for our food on the table, and it's gonna be very yummy. We're gonna compare the Hyderabadi biryani today with the Karachi biryani, guys. So wait and watch and stay with us.
So be ready for another cuisine from Hyderabad. So don't go anywhere and stay with us.
So guys, look at that. This fume smokes, man, looking so gorgeous, guys. So look at that, what we have it here. So this is their specialty chicken biryani, Hyderabadi chicken biryani, right? Then this is chicken 65, and then here is red mutton. Usually they present for the Hyderabadi weddings. Then they have some special naan, sesame naan. Actually, we did not order those, but they brought it us for as a special. This is regular naan, and here we go. We got some sauces here. What kind of that sauces?
This is called mirchi ka salan.
Mirchi ka salan.
This is the specialty of Hyderabad. This is called the raita with the sauce.
Awesome, that's good. So looking so awesome, guys. So I wanna start with this, but before I want to start, I want to tell you what is that. It's called mirchi ka salan. It's a spicy sauce. This one, and this is yogurt, raita with the cumin mix in it. But because this is the most famous Hyderabadi dishes, so I'm gonna start with the Hyderabadi biryani. So they put it like this is a very like crispy fried onions, right? And then they have colorful white and orange type rice.
I think so. You're looking for the chicken?
Yeah, I'm looking for chicken. Let me put it in the actually plate because it's gonna spill out. And they have some green on the top of it. Right? take some on the top. Okay. And you want to make sure I have some kind of thick gravy as well. So look at that. It's a pretty big piece of chicken here, right? Then biryani rice, right? So let me try just biryani rice, like what their taste it is. So what's the difference between the Karachi and Hyderabadi rice is? So I'm gonna try that first. Yeah, a little bit sour side, but it's a completely different taste than the Karachi biryani, guys. Very good. I can feel the aroma of cardamom as well. So let's try with the chicken. I'm going to take a piece of chicken and I'm going to take some rice, some fried onions. See that? So here you go. So I'm going to try this one with the chicken.
Also try with the mirchi ka salan.
That's what I'm telling you too. This is the one of the biryani you cook it at home.
Oh, really?
The same, very close taste. This is also their specialty. She put her own spices in it, but this biryani is very close to whatever she is cooking at home. Very good. I like this biryani, and the taste of this biryani I like the most, really, guys.
So what a reference.
Yeah. Really, the difference between Karachi and this is right now is Karachi was salty and straight, but this got a lot of flavor in it. It's spicy, savory, spicy. This is the one I used to eat at home from Dia. So it's very good. So this is the mirchi ka salan. So basically it's a spicy sauce. You see that? So I'm gonna put some on the rice. I will see how it will taste be different. Okay. You know, actually this is our curry.
Chicken curry, kind of like
No,
that.
no, just curry, like the yogurt
Pakoda curry, pakoda curry,
Pakoda
okay.
curry type. Yeah, pakoda curry type. So okay, that's very good. This is their also specialty dish for Hyderabad. This is actually mutton, right? So I'm gonna take a couple of pieces of mutton, right? Some, oh, it's really looking hot and very tempting, guys. I'm gonna take some ginger as well, and I'm gonna try with the
It's
plain naan.
looking mouth-watering for me. Let's see what's the KB review of this dish.
Oh wow, this is so special. Look at that. See that? So I'm gonna take a piece of mutton and then I'm gonna dip into the. Oh, the mutton is very tender. The mutton is very tender, right? So I'm gonna take. You see that? It's very tender, guys. Very tender. Like it's, I just press it and it just melt into the sauce, right? So let me try this. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yep. How it is?
Spicy, not much, but spicy. And if I want to give you a reference, it's very close to our mutton curry, right? There's a red also, and after biting, then you will have a hint of a chili on your tongue. So it's very good. It's very good, guys. Okay, so we tried those dishes. Try the third dish. This is kind of a basically appetizer. So they have a chunk of chicken. They put some green coriander, and look at that, guys, fried chili. And then they have a green onion as well, right? So I'm gonna try. We'll see. It's a very good portion as well, right? Let me try. Oh man, there is a curry pata, right? I'm gonna take some onions, coriander, and first I'm gonna try without the lemon. Let's see how it tastes like. What is its basic taste is. I think the chicken is marinated with some kind of flour, right? And it's gonna give you a kick of chili as well. It's very good. But let me try actually with the lemon. So let me put it on there. It's very good appetizer, I think. So. Okay, so ready?
I also want to try this
You want
one.
that? Okay, try that. But it's going to enhance the taste with the lemon. But this is kind of very close to chili chicken, right?
Yeah.
It's very close to chili chicken. But there's no sauce in it. They just marinate with the sauce and fried with the some kind of, I told you before, kind of flour, right?
So can we also give us the review of this special naan they?
Well, actually, they give us special naan. See that? There's a butter on it.
And lot of sesame on the top.
On the top. And I'm gonna try without any dipping into sauce. We'll see how it is. It's a regular naan with the sesame and top it with the butter. Very good. Actually, we should try this one with the chicken 365. And you know, I'm gonna try with this, and I'm gonna try the Thai chili as well, guys. So here you go. If you wanna come here, you wanna try the appetizers, this is one for you guys. It's very flavorful, it's very good, and good, man, awesome.
Which one you like the most one?
You know, the number one is Hyderabadi Biryani.
So okay.
And you know the special thing that I told you, you used to cook that at home. The number two is chicken 65, and number three is mutton. So all of these are very good. It's depend on your taste bud, guys. Whatever you like it. Maybe you guys love some other dishes as well. But this is my grading. But none of them is less. It's up to the very high mark. It's very good taste. But most I love the biryani. Okay, folks, it's dessert time. It seemed like pudding, guys, right? So this, I think, so they cook the squash in a sweet, flavorful, milky texture, and they also top it with the silver leaf. You see that? It's a silver leaf here. So they top it with the silver leaf, and then I can see some pistachio, I think so, right? Pistachio and some dried fruit, right? And its texture is like, it's very like moderate texture, not thick, not thin, and seem like creamy. You see that? Maybe that is squash, green squash. So I'm gonna try this. I'm hoping it's gonna be a very yummy and sweet. So I'm gonna take some actually silver leaf as well, right? So let me try that. It's basically it's a kheer. I can't.
Rice pudding, kind of like that.
Rice pudding. I can't feel any different. Let me take one more bite. One more spoon. A little bit different. You can feel some squash in it. Like there's some aroma. Just some little bit different taste, but mostly it's pretty close to rice pudding. It's very good. After a spicy meal, you deserve it. So guys, it's tea time. Actually, they claim it's a Karak chai. So Karak means high potency caffeine in it. They put more tea when they are cooking the tea than the regular recipes of the tea, right? So I'm hoping this is going to be Karak means it's going to be high potency, little bit like more. It's give you a kick of caffeine. So let me try that, right? Okay. Oh yeah, actually, it's Karak. So yeah, I can feel the more tea in it, right? So high potency tea, they put it in. It's really good.
And strong tea.
Yeah, it's very strong. So we call it strong in the English name, but we call it own language is Karak tea. So it's very good, and I hope it should be a little bit more hot. It's warm, but it's not hot. So it's very good. Very good, man. You deserve it after a spicy meal. So folks, we are here with Hyderabad. We own this restaurant, and believe me, I feel today the taste of the cooking at home. Really, the biryani was awesome. It was mind-blowing, and chicken 65 was another hit as well. What is your specialty?
Specialty is Hyderabadi dishes. Hyderabadi biryani, food, chicken. This is our specialty, and we also have only vegetarian, pure veg biryani only on Saturdays.
Oh, okay. Here you go, guys. So
Yes.
if you guys want to enjoy the vegetarian biryani, so come on Saturday. It's only available Monday, guys. So
Yes.
you need to come here.
Famous appetizer, as you said, chicken 65 is our most popular, and chili chicken. And for kids and everybody loves our lollipop chicken.
If you want to recommend some of the dishes for people, so what is your hit?
Biryani
Here you go, guys.
65. If you want to go in the desert, try gajar ka halwa.
That's very good. So
Yes.
gajar ka halwa is like a carrot mix, and they cook it for a long time, and it turns into a very sweet texture. It's actually shredded carrots as well. So thank you very much for
Thank you
giving
so
us.
much.
Thank you. And
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys, watching our channel over the years and years, and thanks for your support as well. We need your really support in form of subscription. So please subscribe our channel, Enjoy Star Food, and give us a thumbs up and share with your family and friends, and we'll meet you in some other flavorful vlogs soon. So keep us watching, and yeah.
Thanks for watching.